This video right here is kind of tagging on to the last couple, but it's all about the art of emotional clickbait. I mean, the name should say itself, emotional clickbait. That just means something that arises emotion out of you. Then that's the goal. So essentially, the way you learn emotional clickbait is by constantly looking at other people's videos that have gone viral and you just think about why. So this is the homepage of YouTube, and when you see this, by the way, the videos you see on the homepage are also considered browse features videos. And essentially, these videos are being recommended to you because they have gone viral and they have performed well. So that means the thumbnails are great and the quality of the video is great. So let's just take a look. Like for example, this one, honest iPhone 12 commercial, 5.7 million views in 3 weeks. Yeah, maybe this guy has a great following, but guarantee you a lot of his viewers for this video were not just subscribers, because the majority of my viewers are 95% not subscribed. But anyways, honest iPhone 12 commercial, like look at his face. He's showing great emotion. He establishes the credibility with the Apple logo and kind of like the Apple font right here. And you can just overall tell that this is going to be a good quality video because not only is the thumbnail high quality, but also makes you want to click on it. You want to click on the video. Like I'm like, why? Why does he look so disappointed? Like this is an honest iPhone 12 commercial. Like that's interesting. It's probably a funny commercial. Now another thing is like colors. Bright, vivid colors usually attract the eyes better. Now imagine just like you refresh the page. This is what you gotta do. Like I'm gonna close my eyes, refresh the page. I'm gonna hope that like it's refreshed. And you wanna open it. What's the first thing that catches your eye? Normally that is like, think about that. Like why did that catch your eye? Is it the colors? Probably the colors. Is it the colors? Is it like the action going on in the video? Like for example, look at this one right here. 18 million views in 3 months. Like Dude Perfect is known for like it has a great following. But like, look at this thumbnail. Like they've mastered the art of clickbait. Not only are there vivid colors, but there's emotion. Like look at the guy's face in the very back. He looks like he's like about to get hit in the face. That's like the type of face someone makes. So it's like, there's a lot of emotion in it. And also there's action. Like look, he's hitting a bunch of ping pong balls and they're going straight at him. Obviously, like, you can like observe the photo and like literally say what I'm saying. Like, yeah, that's what's happening in the thumbnail, and that's why it's going viral. And then look at this one, golden retrievers and husky meeting their best friend's newborn kitten. Look at this thumbnail. Like there's a lot of emotion behind this. Like look at the dogs just admiring this little kitten. The kitten's so small versus these huge dogs. Emotion, emotion, emotion. You get what I'm saying? And then for example, like come down here. Everyone remembers this kid. Like that's a very good thumbnail. I mean that I can't really make a good anything. Can't really say much about that. So let's refresh again and let's just check it out. So what else? So look, like these obviously this is animation, but you can tell like this is it's just colorful. That's why it's working. And also this right here, look, this guy kicking a soccer ball, some guy's kind of in the way. It's like action filled, and it just works. This right here, 54 million views in 6 years. Obviously, it's been posted up for a while, but look at that, guys. This is something kind of like getting sidetracked, but 54 million views, and it was uploaded 6 years ago, and it's still being recommended to me. Why is a video from 6 years still being recommended? Because the YouTube algorithm still promotes videos that are old. That's what I'm saying now. Like imagine you start your YouTube career today. Imagine 6 years from now, how many videos you would have uploaded and how many of them are still booming, collecting more and more views over time. Anyways, that's getting sidetracked. Going back to like, he loves owner. So first of all, that title is great. It is short. It is kind of like that cute, like, lack of grammar title, which obviously doesn't apply to all things. But for, like, cute animals, I guess I understand. Anyways, short title, very clickbait and eye-catching. And also the big eyes and, like, the kind of, like, the eye catch, like, it catches your eye. That owl, like, it catches your eye. But the one thing I haven't really touched on extremely is the emotional side of things. Like, the idea of when you're making your thumbnails, you want the viewer to either become curious, become angry, hopefully not angry, raise some sort of emotion in them that makes them have to click and watch the video. This is an art. This is a production company. Your video is your channel is essentially a production company. You have to think of ways to catch people's attention, to keep people's attention, and to raise emotion. That's essentially all this comes down to. And this is not something you're going to learn in one day. It's going to take days and days of watching. So let's just click one of these videos, for example. What we can also do is check out the recommended videos and think about like, why are they recommended? Recommended videos, I mean like suggested. Let me pause this video. Okay, so you scroll to the side.
Real life.
It looks like these. Hold on.
It looks awesome.
1 second. Anyways, you go to the recommended videos, which are all these videos right here, and you just kind of like look. Like these are being recommended to you for a reason. It's because they have been going viral. They have been performing well. Look at these, like 45 million views, 23 million views, 48 million views. Obviously, these are guys are all within the same types of videos. Like I don't know if you guys know W2S and the Sidemen and Minimus. Anyways, look at this. 45 million views 6 years ago, still being recommended. But also look at the thumbnail. Like there's a lot of emotion behind it. It looks like there's laughing, there's pain, there's 3 guys who know what's happening, and there's 3 guys in the front who don't. You know, it's just a bunch of emotion. But now this is for a general, like, I haven't really touched on like top 10 channels. So let's just type in like top 10 and kind of look at their thumbnails and what kind of emotions rise from them. So look at this. Like this thumbnail right here, top 10 scary cartoon theories that will ruin your childhood. Just look at that thumbnail. Like obviously it changes your nostalgic view of Thomas the Train to something dark and scary, right? Or for example right here, like top 10 Friday Night SmackDown moments, which is, you know, a top 10 channel type video. Look, this guy's flying through the air and there's a guy on the bottom and there's the crowd in the back. It's going to be crazy. Like the result, I got to see what happens, right? I want to click on it. And then we scroll down to top 10 most unexplored places on Earth. Like, first of all, the title is great. You can tell it's very short and under 35 characters, which is very optimized for mobile. And remember, most of your viewers are going to be coming from mobile, so make sure you try to optimize for them, cater to them. But anyways, back to the thumbnail. Like, you know, it's just a big island, and it just looks untouched, and it looks a little weird. Like the geography looks weird. The colors are great of the ocean. It's definitely eye-catching. For example, this one, honestly, the thumbnail is not that good in my opinion, but the fact that it's Watch Mojo, it does well. Now look at this one. Like this topic right here, top 10 most dangerous water slides, very saturated. Like I've seen that overdone many times, but obviously this guy did it a year ago. 25 million views, top 10 most dangerous water slides. Not only is the thumbnail eye-catching, it's vivid, colorful, it makes you think like, holy shit, this guy's about to die. I gotta see these dangerous water slides. Obviously, guys, that water slide doesn't exist in the thumbnail, which is also another area you got to be careful with. You can't fake it too much, but you can definitely get away with some faking. And also, guys, vidIQ, if you guys haven't noticed, they show you all the tags of each of the videos, which is great, which is absolutely great. Anyways, going down, just checking out some more things is top 10 massive waves caught on tape. Now, this guy obviously could have just put a photo of a magnificent, huge wave, but maybe that would not have been enough. Maybe it have, maybe not. But in this case, he ended up putting, I'm not sure if he found this on Google or if he photoshopped that photo of a cruise ship tipped over in it, but at the end of the day, it's magnificent. It's like, holy shit, a whole cruise ship got tipped over and somebody, there's like, aren't there people on board? Let me click, let me check this out. Let me check this out. Oh, it was caught on tape. Let me check it out. You get what I'm saying? Like, you gotta put yourself in the eyes of the viewer who comes across your video and has no idea, no biased opinion about it. Like, what are they gonna do? Are they gonna click on it? What makes them want to click on it? What excites them? Why should they click on it? You know what I mean? And now going down, just kind of looking at things that kind of catch my eye. This creeps me the hell out. Holy shit. And I'm in the office right now alone, and it's dark. I'm a grown man. I'm good. Anyways, look at this. Like, this is obviously clickbait and fake too, but just look at that. 8.4 million views in only 10 months. That thumbnail is incredible. You're like, holy shit. No fucking way there's an alligator that big. And like, the thing is, guys, this is when you can get away with kind of clickbait in terms of not making the audience as mad. You can bullshit the fuck out of your clickbait sometimes and get away with it as long as the quality of your video is good. And by that, I mean, imagine if you had a viewer who clicks on your video because of the thumbnail and is really expecting that to be in the video, but instead of getting hit with a good quality video, also gets hit with a disappointing shit video. They're going to be a double whammy mad and dislike the video and leave or comment bad things, right? But if you incredibly clickbait them with bullshit and provide them with a good quality video, they may not be as mad and they may even be satisfied because the video was good quality. You have to have them enjoy the video if you're going to bullshit the clickbait. You know what I mean? When in general, I'd say stay away from it. That's just, you know, a tip right there. Now, this right here, kind of unrelated to a lot of the stuff, but I guess it's top 10 stuff, so never mind. But notice, like, this one's doing well and ranked well for the keyword top 10 because it is very colorful. Like it's very vibrant. The colors are. I mean, there's action going on. It's vibrant. There's even a big red arrow pointing. That usually helps sometimes. And let's see what else. This is pretty scary. I'm not gonna. Yeah. So and look at this. So right here, this video right here, top 10 scary black holes discovered. So that thumbnail is great. Even without the font or the typing or the text on the video, I think that thumbnail would have been phenomenal just with the photo itself. But in this case, the creator of the video, whoever created the thumbnail, was able to add value to it by saying 7 months away. I mean, who knows what the hell that means, but it kind of scares you. Another way of raising emotion is fear mongering. I know it's kind of fucked up, but like, if you fearmonger people into the videos, they're gonna click on it and they're not gonna be that disappointed because they love being scared. That's the idea with horror films or just scary things in general. So, top 10 scary black holes discovered. That's already scary in itself, especially when you think that it's 7 months away from Earth. I don't know. Let me find out. That's scary. You guys get the gist of it. So, kind of to summarize, the art of emotional clickbait is like you want to raise emotion. You want to, and to learn that, you want to go through and look at other big channels' thumbnails. What are they doing? What am I not doing? You know, kind of like just understand. Look at it. Okay, you see a viral video that's recently posted. Look at the thumbnail and say, huh, what did they do? And just decipher, break down their thumbnail from like an analytical standpoint or a more like emotional standpoint. And then combine that with their title and then look at their title and then think like, okay, how else does this title contribute to the thumbnail? You know what I mean? Like over time, you'll get the hang of it. You'll understand exactly how to decipher thumbnails, how to create clickbait thumbnails, and how to really raise emotion into making them want to click the video. I babbled a lot in this particular video right here, but I hope you got something out of it. I hope it's clear to you. This is why mentorship really comes in handy. I'm kind of talking generally right now. Now, if you approach me with general question or specific questions about where you are tailored specifically to you, I can very well help you out. Anyways, see you in the next video.